the notes for Navkar mantra. Now I'm going to teach you Nagin by tutorial. D sharp, C sharp, E sharp, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, C sharp. This you must play by 4 times. Next I will show the next line. C sharp, E sharp, G sharp, A sharp, G sharp, A sharp, G sharp, C sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, D, C. This you must play continuously 2 times. Now I am going to show you the full song, and these are the notes for Nagin. Start. Now I am going to show the 2 songs fully. Let's start with Navkar mantra and Nagin. Navkar mantra, and I am going to play Nagin.